And in the recent few years, do you think there's a change in how the society responds to survivors, or do you think we're still failing them miserably?
They have become more or less sensitive.
Right.
Uh, but I would not say by and large they have become sensitive, maybe in cities. But when you go to rural areas where the children are being raped and or women are being raped, it is not done, it is dealt in a very insensitive way because they are not aware about these campaigns going on. They don't watch TV and all that, and the mindset has to, again, it is a long journey for them because in city we talk about it like you and I are talking about it. But what about a rural women and a family? They would not have exposure in terms of, so it takes longer than what we do it in cities. So I think it has to be a movement. So I think they are sensitive, but not everyone.
Right. Again, a long way to go there as well. And in your speech just now, you told that your aim is for India to become
Mission rape free.
So, what do you think is one step that we can take collectively as a society, mainly to empower women or children or men in rural areas?
It can't be a one step solution. It has to be series of efforts and series of action. First we need to decode it, like what is the problem and then the solution. As I said, mindset is the major thing, but in that, what all we need to do, have written a book also. I can show you, it's right behind you. So it has covered, like, it is 170 pages. We have just touched upon the basics.
Right.
So I will, in the second volume, we will have more inputs in terms of, it is an interactive book. So what I want to, it is not me. Even you can tell what all needs to be done. So it's very basic and common, but we have not compiled it as yet. So this is what my effort was, to compile it and put it there. And we need to go step by step. We means I can't do it alone, and we need collective efforts from society and the government both.
Right. And finally, before I let you go, in one line, what does courage look like to you today?
Courage means taking action.
Right.
Courage means you're sleeping over it and thinking in your dreams you are courageous will not make any difference. You have to take steps towards it. You have to act on it. So any even smaller actions is, like, you can say it's part of courage. You have to act on it.
Absolutely. Huge congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
For joining us.
Thanks a lot. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.